Solving for theta, okay? So we've got tan theta equals 0.6 over that domain. So let's leave it as degrees, right? Just for now. Okay, now we go to, so we figured out what it is in which quadrant? First quadrant. It's also going to be in the third, because tan all stations to central. So we figured out what theta is in the first quadrant. It's approximately 30.96 in degrees. We can then write that in the third quadrant. And why is it also in the third quadrant? It's in the question.
Because it goes like...
Because we're going for that domain, okay? Okay?
If it said tan theta equals 1, would that be tech-free?
So it's only tech-free if it's a special triangle. So how do we figure out this second answer? Add 180, very good. So tan negative 1, 0.6 plus 180. Because it's gone into the third quadrant. Because tan's positive in the third quadrant. 210.96. So degrees, write yourself a note, degrees to radians multiplied by pi divided by 180. So you write down 0.54 radians. Okay? So this one is approximately 3.68 radians. So how can we check that we've done that conversion properly? Like, how can we roughly check?
Convert it back.
210, no, good try. Oh, yeah. 210 is just greater than what? 180, which is 1 pi. And what's the value of 1 pi? 3.14, etc. So is that answer slightly bigger than 3.14? So that's how we know, or we're pretty sure that we've done the conversion properly. Very good. Hopefully you brought the square root 3 over to the other side. So we're adding square root 3 to both sides, yeah? We then get rid of the tan by doing tan to the negative 1 to both sides. Okay, so any hints now, is this a tech active or tech free? Tech free, because hopefully a square root 3 indicates we're using the standard triangle.
60 degrees and 30 degrees.
The domain is in radians, so we want to keep it in radians. That's as far as I'm aware. So it is opposite over adjacent. Square root 3 over 1. So it is pi over 3. Does everyone understand what I did there? Opposite over adjacent. Sokotoa. Square root 3 is the same as square root 3 over 1. So we need to do what we did in the last example. We need to look at the other quadrant. So we've got square root, we've got that. So it's also the third quadrant again. So we need to also add pi.
So, does that negative have anything to do with it? Negative square root 3? Wouldn't it make it in a...
So when I brought it over to the other side, it became positive. But great question. If it was negative square root 3, what quadrants would it be in?
It would be in the second and the fourth.
Correct. Very good. Okay, so now we've got the two answers to theta in this domain.